Hello everybody, this is Militant Micah. In today's video, as you can see the title, we are going to talk about why you should never be worried about losing a subscriber. I want to touch up on why you should never be concerned about losing a subscriber. For one, you want to show these people that they ain't stopping nothing, that they ain't stopping shit. Show these people that they ain't stopping nothing. Real is rare, fake is everywhere. You can't control people. All you could do is control yourself. So if you lose a subscriber, that's just opportunities for growth and improvement. And it's okay if you lose a subscriber. I've been losing a lot of subscribers. But does that stop me from posting videos? No. I'm going to keep on posting, and I'm going to keep on posting and be myself because I know the God I serve. So, on this channel, we don't sugarcoat nothing. I tell you how it is. I tell you how I feel. And I move on with my day. That's how I am. So, let these people know that they ain't stopping nothing. Show them that they ain't stopping nothing. You continue to post. Because losing a subscriber is a guaranteed way for another open window with a different audience, a different person that's going to subscribe. Well, Mo Monkey don't stop no show. So, by somebody unsubscribing or unfollowing you, whether it's on Instagram or unsubscribing you from YouTube, you continue to post and be yourself. Because those people were not meant to be in your circle. Real is rare. Remember that. Real is rare. It is always room for improvement and growth. So, like I said, the sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. Keep on grinding. Keep on being you. Keep on being yourself. Don't let nobody stop nothing. And what you want to do, and always do, is make sure that you pray before you record. And continue to be yourself no matter what. Don't let these people stop you. Don't let these people get your spirit dampened down. You continue to shine bright like a diamond. You're the diamond in the rough. I'm the diamond in the rough. Always keep being you. Always keep doing you. No matter what. Don't stop nothing for nobody. So I don't care if you lose a subscriber. Hell, I've been losing a lot of subscribers. Keep on going. That's my motivation for you. Keep on going and keep on being yourself. If no one has said it, I said it. Keep on being yourself. And keep on being great. Chances make champions. Remember that. It's quality over quantity. It's not all about just having a lot of subscribers. It's about having very few that's interested in your content and you as a person. I'd rather have 3 interested subscribers, 3 interested people, than have 100 fake people that's uninterested in my content. It's quality over quantity. Same with friends, having a small circle like I do. I have a small circle like myself. I have a small circle of people. I don't really connect with a lot of people because one, you don't know where people come from. 2, people switch up. 3, people in your life for a season, and then 4, real is rare, fake is everywhere. So, you know, it's always important to keep a low circle of people. You don't want too many people knowing your business. So, yeah, man, it's quality over quantity. I'd rather have 3 real friends that gently checks on me and follows up with me than I have 100 fake phonies of people that never calls me or hit me up or check on me. You know what I'm saying? It's quality over quantity. So, you know, in real life, I got like about 3 friends. That's about it. I don't really got friends in general. And if I do have friends, it's a small percentage of friends. So I got about like 3, I should say 3 people that I connect close with. So I don't really got a big circle. You shouldn't either. Just continue being yourself. And that's my advice to you, man. That's my advice to you. You always want to be yourself. And it's quality over quantity. And always make sure you try to improve, on your content. And let them know, once again, let them know that they ain't stopping nothing. So if you like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.